Hello guys, you're watching View Miss Tarot. So this is a pick a card reading, and this reading will be regarding will your person contact you soon or not, okay? If you have no contact with the person you love, or like you have no contact, if you wish that they contact you, so let's see. You have to pick a pile from the ones that I'm giving. I will be giving you 3 piles. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, one more. Alright. Pile number 1, option number 1, and choose with the help of your intuition. Option number 2, and option number 3. So choose with the help of your intuition. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I'm keeping these aside. Okay, so let's see. Hello, option number 1, those who have chose this, let's see if your person will contact you or not. Now I have done the shuffling in front of you, okay? So whatever will come is the outcome, and this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Okay, so I shuffled it in front of you. Now pile number 1, you have the 6 of Wands, you have the 5 of Pentacles, you have Temperance, the Lovers, the Tower card and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you have the 6 of Wands. With the 6 of Wands, I'm getting this kind of energy that there will be something good on your way, because whatever is going to happen, you will feel it as a victory. So if you were thinking that getting your person back or your person contact you is a victory, it is a victory. And you have this card is about victory, this card is about happy ending. So you have this card. I do see in the past things were not good, because I do see that some of you may faced some kind of financial issues, or your person faced some kind of financial issues, and that brought some kind of misunderstanding between you and them. There had been some kind of lack of chemistry, because you both were not in the terms of relationship. I mean to say, like, you should spend time together but you couldn't, or that's maybe because your person or you were struggling somewhere or the other. And I do see that because maybe because of that, or someone was healing, and because of that reason you both had some kind of misunderstanding. Now this misunderstanding will definitely come to an end, because you have the Ace of Pentacles, which means a new beginning, absolute new beginning. Okay, so you will have a new beginning, and that beginning can indicate your person coming back to you. So the person you are thinking of will definitely contact you. If you have chosen option 1, the person will contact you because he still loves you or she still loves you. They never had the intention to break this relationship. Even if you both were in a separation, they tried to move on, but it was difficult for them to move on. You felt as if you are being patient indeed, but still the other person was not giving the same dedication that you gave to the relationship, to this relationship that you had. And that's why your person might have thought of moving on, or maybe you thought of moving on once or the other, like you thought, but it was difficult for you to move on. You tried to move on, it was difficult for you to move on. It was difficult for you to break the cycle that you are going through. You want to get a new beginning, but it was not happening because you thought your new beginning will involve your person that you're thinking about. That's because the other person on the other end also thinks about you, and that's why it's always in your mind that they are thinking about you. That's why they are in your mind and you are in their mind. The thing is working in this way. So this is what I'm getting, that your person will contact you. If you think your person contacting you is a victory, it will be a victory. It is a victory, a new beginning. Okay, like, so this is what I'm getting. Your person still loves you, and you also, obviously. But yes, this is what I'm getting. You tried to move on, it was difficult for you to move on. Your person might have broken the contact, or didn't had the courage to initiate the conversation, or tried to contact you because maybe he was or she was finding some kind of problem in their career, or financial problem, financial issues, which was making them, forcing them to take a step back. They want to offer you a financial stability somewhere or the other. So this is what I'm getting. Your person will contact. If the past situation resonated, the future should. So this is what I'm getting. So that's it for today. I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comment section down below if this is the similar situation you are going through. So that's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye. Hello, option number 2. Let's see what your cards have. Okay, and now before I begin, I must say this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everybody watching out there, and also I have shuffled the cards in front of you live. Okay, so let's see. You have the Two of Wands in reverse. You have the Knight of Wands. I literally am shocked with the cards. Okay, Page of Swords, Six of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Five of Cups in reverse. Option number 2. It was a live shuffling. I didn't expect such a straightforward answer. This person is definitely going to contact you, and this person wants a relationship with you once again. If you both are in a separation, this person will text you. This person is going to text you. This person is going to approach you. This person is heartbroken without you. This person was confused at some time regarding whether he should or she should be into this relationship, or should they continue this relationship. They had this kind of confusion, or maybe you had, I don't know, but maybe you had. Someone was being trying to be very balanced with their work and with their relationship. That's why maybe someone had some kind of confusion in getting into the relationship at the first place. And I also see for some of you, it's not a relationship, but it's a very close bonding between you two, and you both know that you both love each other, and this person will come back. It can be your ex energy who was in a relationship with you and had left you, but now this person is in pain, like this person wants to come back. There is a lot of emotional attachment between you both. I'm getting this energy. This person wants a new adventurous beginning with you. This person wants to build an emotional commitment with you. When you were with him or with her, you gave them a lot of emotional support and they miss it. They will text you. Definitely, they will text you. If you're watching this video, I'm I'm so like, oh my god, this person wants to get back into a relationship. For 90% of you, this is your ex who left you. You both were in a relationship, you both had an emotional attachment, and now this person is coming back and this person wants that same relationship. This person wants the same dedication from you, and this person will text you, this person will contact you. So this is what I'm getting, pile number 2. So yes, Knight of Wands, this person is going to approach you, this person is coming towards you. This person has came out of this confusion that whether to choose you or not, I mean choose this relationship or not. This person is now realizing it's important, it was an important part of their life, this relationship, at least in terms of mental strength. So that's it for today, pile 2. This is what I'm getting. I hope it helped, and if it resonated, let me know in the comment section down below. I do love reading comments. So that's it for today, and till then, do like, share and subscribe. Do share it with your friends, those who needs it. So that's it, your person will contact you. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye. Hello, pile number 3. So let's see what your cards have. And yes, before I begin, let me tell you, I have done a live shuffling, and this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everybody. Okay, so Queen of Swords, 5 of Wands, you have got the communication card. 8 of Wands. This card made me happy actually. You got the 2 of Cups. This is amazing. You got the 9 of Cups. Are you serious? You got the Queen of Swords, you got the King of Swords. You both might be made for each other. It's pretty clear, okay? Let me first answer you the question that you came for. Will the person contact you? You got the communication card, you got the 2 of Cups, you got the King of Swords, you got the Queen of Swords. This person is definitely looking for an absolute unending communication. This person is looking for a communication. This person was having some kind of conflict with you or with himself maybe. This person knows that you both are made for each other. If you are a female watching this, you had some kind of insecurities which brought some kind of conflict into the relationship, okay? And if you're a male watching this video, you are a good decision maker. You know how to take rational decision, but you try to protect your heart by not showing what you feel. You try to not open up with your feelings. Whereas if you're a female, then also the same. You try to hide your feelings. You try to build walls across your feelings. You did not choose to be open to your own feelings. Okay, I'm getting this energy now. If I talk about the relationship, I mean, if they contact you, you are getting some kind of telepathic message, and you're feeling right at this moment that things will happen as you want them to happen. So if you're wanting it, this time the universe is being very much communicated to you, like is communicating to you, and you're also getting some kind of signs that yes, things will happen as I want, my wish will be fulfilled. Okay, this is what I'm getting. This person wants to share the cup with you, wants a partnership with you. This person is looking forward to communication. Even you are also looking forward, and there will be a communication very soon. That also, it will happen very soon, and you will realize that you both are the same. Actually, you both are one. You both are made for each other. your person will say this one day to you. And I'm also getting that for some of you, it's a bond where you both were best friends or very good friends, but you both were connected to soul level, and you both understood that you both need each other, you both are made for each other, you both are the same kind, most importantly. So this is what I'm getting. There will be an end of conflict. If you are having some kind of conflict in your mind regarding will he contact you or not, yes, there will be an ongoing communication on your way. This person will definitely contact you. This person will write, hi, how are you? Or this person not just hi, how are you, this person will say what he was supposed to say. Like if he was supposed to say we need to talk about our relationship or our feelings, this at this stage this person will come up. And if it is about, like, if they want to say, like, it's time for them to say I love you, they will say. And you know, I'm also getting this energy that you both were very good friends for some of you, and all of a sudden, the if you are a female watching this, your person fell in love with you, and then he was like, he didn't wanted to open up, like he was scared of commitment, he tried to protect his heart. Maybe he had some kind of breakup issues in the past, but that's why he might have stopped contacting. But later on he will have conflict in his mind, and he will come up to you, and he will do the actual communication that is needed between both of you. So that's it, I'm getting pile number 3. I hope it helped, and if it resonated, let me know in the comment section down below. Till then, do like, share and subscribe, and that's it for today. Bye.